We'd like to show you how to bulk edit unit prices in Shopify. From Ablestar Bulk Editor dashboard, you're going to filter a smaller set of products to edit, and then you're going to click Edit Products, and you're going to search for unit price. And then you're going to specify the total measure and the base measure of the product. So let's say 200 grams, for example, against a base measure of 1 kilogram. And then you're going to click to Run Edit. Don't forget, once it's complete, you can click to undo and revert those changes, or you can also upload from a spreadsheet edit. And your spreadsheet's going to look something like this, where you have this JSON formatting for your quantities, and then you'll download it to your computer and click to drag and drop the spreadsheet here. And once that uploads, you'll see column mapping here. So this column was already configured as the variant ID, and then this one you would specify as the unit price, since it doesn't recognize the JSON yet. And then you're going to click to Run Edit. It's that simple. Thanks.